This is it then, the game they've all been waiting for. Well, let's see how the teams line up today. This then, how the home team is lining up. And here is the away team formation. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Fazio. Di Maria. Oh, there's an opening here. That's a goal kick. Launched upfield by the keeper. And it's back in. Here's Bia to the striker. He loves to run with the ball. Otamendi with the tackle. Messi. This is Ansaldi. Oh, that's a foul. Di Maria. Can he get a shot? It shoots! Good block there. Good clearance. He really got behind that. That's nicely played. That's how it happened. This is Ansaldi. Oh, he did really well there. Aguero will be disappointed with that effort. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Keeper sends it long. Tagliafico. Here's Biglia. Messi. Moving in the left here. Oh, well timed. Striker's ball. Here's Biglia. Well, not too many talking points in that opening 5 minutes. Let's hope the half-time team talk conjures up some better play in the second period. Off we go here. Managers have a word with the players, and it's still anyone's game. The defender then back on the ball. They've won it back. And that one swung into the box. Oh, determined challenge there. It's with the striker. And it's opened up here. I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. Let's take a look at that. No cards yet from the referee. Di Maria. Aguero. Di Maria. He's so skillful on the ball. Oh, painful. Looks like the referee's going to have words here, but I think it's cards in his pocket. Messi standing to tight game here. This could be a chance for the opposition to penetrate the back line. Let's have a look at that one again. Now, what can they conjure up from this set piece? Corner taken long. Played in field. Pulls the trigger. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Forward from the keeper. It's a tight game. Can they create something with this attack? Throw in here. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming up. And he's looking. Does the goalkeeper to beat now? Great finish. A debut goal from the new player. That's the first of many, I'm sure. Well, let's take another look at that. Fresh pair of legs here then. And the crowd well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Oh, well timed. And that's a goal kick. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. It's Otamendi. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. That's good link-up play. Oh, he did really well there. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Well, not much in it now. And one last push from the losing team could see them go into extra time. Oh, there's an opening here. It's with the striker. Di Maria. Is this the moment? Di Maria fires one in. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. Forward from the keeper. Romero collects. Oh, well intercepted. Oh, he's onside. Oh, it's a clear chance. And now Dybala, his first goal for the club. What a moment. His first goal for the club. What a moment. Let's see that one again. So back underway. I wonder, and there we have it. They've become the International Cup champions. The crowd are out in numbers to watch this amazing team become International Cup winners.